Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today you will see a very interesting video. But before we start, you should watch this. You will see trades profitability from my VIP Telegram channel, and it's really amazing. If you want to make an incredible and guaranteed result with me and my subscribers, then write me the word crypto in private messages in Telegram, and I will personally answer you within 10 minutes and add you to the VIP group absolutely for free. So hurry up to write me, free places are limited. This strategy works on all time frames, but in order to get the best results, I recommend that you use this strategy in a 15 minutes time frame. Let's proceed with the indicators. The indicator that I'm going to use is the big snapper created by Just Uncle. Go to indicator settings and head to the style section. We need to uncheck a lot of items, so you better follow my lead. Here go unchecked all this moving average item except for the slow mat. Please include the street smash of a trend direction, super trend and beep up rhythm. We totally don't need this. Once done, you can click OK. Now look closer at the chart. You can see that there is a moving average in horizontal bars with red and green color. Those horizontal bars are trading signal, while the moving average represents the current trend. If we see the price action is above the moving average, we can say that the current trend is uptrend, and if we see that the price is moving below the moving average, we can say that it's downtrend. If we see the price action is above the moving average, we are only taking the green signal and ignoring the red ones. The green signal is for long position, and if we see that the price is moving below the moving average, we will be only taking the red signal and ignoring the green ones, while the red signal is for short. By the way, you can join my Telegram group where I post buy and sell signals. The link will be in the description. Alright, entry conditions here are the conditions that need to be met. Before placing any position, first look for a buy signal in an uptrend. Second, if the candle is green, we can enter it candle close. If the candle is red, we will wait for the next green candle. But if the next candle is still red, we will not enter two consecutive red candles. It's a no trade for this strategy. Entry and exit signal. Let me give you an example. Let's take the signal here as our first example. You can see here that it gives a buy signal, but the price action is below the moving average. At this point, we will ignore the signal because we are looking for a buy signal that is above the moving average. Let's proceed with the next one. We can see the buy signal printed on a red candle. In this example, we will wait for the next candle to be green. Since the next candle is still red, we will ignore this trade. Now for the third example, the buy signal is printed below the green candle. In this scenario, we will enter at the candle close immediately. For our stop loss, we will place it a little lower than the horizontal bar. For our target, we will set it on the recent high. We can search more to the left if there is current price action. Near this area, I will place a horizontal line so we can see it easily. Now we have a recent high. We can now set our target a little lower, just right there. Great, let's browse for more examples. This one printed a buy signal on a red candle, so we need to wait for the next candle. We can see from here that the next candle is green, so we will enter the green candle close track. That stop loss a little lower for our target. We can place it here a little lower than this high. Wow, this is another buy signal, but we were stopped out. Now let's take this remaining trade opportunity. I will speed it up a little bit. Alright, the price action now shifts below the moving average. We will now look for a short opportunity. Now for taking a short position, first look for a sell signal in the downtrend. Second, if the candle is red, we can enter it candle close. If the candle is green, we will wait for the next red candle, but if the candle is still green, we will not enter 2 consecutive green candles. Means no trade here. Look at these examples. First, we have here is a wonderful breakout from the moving average, followed by a sell signal. The red signal is printed above the red candle. So this means this is a go, but there is no recent near swing low where we can place our target for this kind of scenario. We will use this trend-based FIB retracement tool. Click the previous high, then the current low, then back to the previous high. Okay. Now go to the settings of this tool and check these additional boxes. Also click this item, it will extend the lines to the right side. To verify the credibility of the FIB retracement tool, you can check if the price action reacts to the line, just like this. This means it's being respected and you plotted your FIB correctly. Now let's proceed for more examples. Now this is a target hit. Now the signal here is printed above a green candle. We need to wait for a succeeding red to make the setup valid, but unfortunately it printed another green candle, so we will ignore this. Now another green candle, but the next candle is on red. We will enter here, place our stop a little higher, and for our target I will set it a little lower. Here then boom, target hit. Let's fast forward to these few more samples. So now a buy signal appears, but the price action is below the moving average. So we will ignore this, for it doesn't meet our conditions. Again guys, if you're busy with the day's work or don't have the time to check the market, you can join my Telegram group where I post quality buy and sell signals. Hope to see you there. So, backtesting. I backtested this strategy 100 times and here is the result. Look at this chart. I've tried this strategy on Bitcoin using a 15-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 32 days. If you have 100 as capital on your portfolio and use $10 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will wind up having a 52.71% increase on your portfolio size, which will total to $152.71 final account size after 100 successful trades. This strategy is good for scalping as it gives a shorter target. Just make sure to enter at the required conditions to avoid losing a trade. Now that's the end of this strategy. I hope you learn more in this video and you find this information interesting. That's all for now. See you soon.